there. I'm going to do some walkthrough videos showing you how to edit parts of your website and add in your content. So this is your login page. It's your domain, blueashfarm.com/wp-login.php, and you'll need to enter your username and password. I'm putting mine in. If you forget your password, click here on Lost Your Password, and then you'll get a single field to add your email address that's connected to your user profile. And actually, we need to set you up. So I'm going to Users. I'm going to Add New. Bill. And if you want a different username, like a farm name, you could create a new user account, but you'll need to use a different email address. So I'm going to use BillOD at me, BillOD@me.com. You can put this in later, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to add you as an admin, and I'm going to give you a password that I'm going to put in an email right now on a different page. Okay, so there, then add new user saves you. If you wanted to add someone else from your farm, this is where you do it. Just add new and put them in. Give them, you can give them administrative rights, or you can give them the next level down. But okay, so we've got you in as a user. And when you go and log in here, go up here to the house icon and right click, open a link in a new tab. That way you can look at the website that you're editing. So here we've got home, about, blog, sample page. I put in these toggles, which is kind of used for FAQs. Obviously you're not going to call it toggle 1. It'd be, you know, ask us about our honey, ask us about our chickens, things like that. Or maybe later on this would be for purchasing things, ordering things. I set up a contact page for you. I'll show you how to change that also. But let's start out with some basic stuff. Homepage is actually fine. Let's start with homepage because it's fun. So this is called your homepage slider area. This is a large background image. Here's a, I think it's called a featured image. We've got text here and a call to action button that I'm, I think, sending to the contact page. Oh, it goes to the sample page. Okay. Then down here we've got some text fields, an image. I put in a couple of your videos, and then we've just got 3 columns down here with text, images. You just really need to decide what you want on the home page. You probably don't need all of this stuff, but I put it there. So we've got that. We've got another background image just with text. What else do we have? And then a background image with a video. So if we wanted to check out that home page, here we go. Edit the home page. And if you want to play with this, you can edit what I've got, or you could create something new. This purple section is where that slider is. I click on these 3 little edit bars, and those are the 3 sliders that I have. This little 4-way arrow allows you to drag and drop things. So 3 little edit bars, heading text, I think that's the first one, yes, sign me up. I think I've changed the page names, so it's here, we'll just move it to contact. Okay, so if we went to the contact page, we copy that URL, we go over here, the button URL, I'm going to delete that and I'm going to paste in the contact page. So you want your button text to match what the person's going to do so that they know what's going to happen. So if they were going to go to a sign up, then you would put them at a form page. Maybe it'd be, yes, I'd like to contact BlueAsh Farm, or yes, I'd like to visit BlueAsh Farm, because then they land on the contact page and they see the map. So make sure things make sense to your people. So this is the large background image, and then see the cocktail picture is the small image. Okay, there we go. And then here's your text and that button. So there's that picture here. We've got text down here. Okay? Each day I go into the fields. Blah, blah, blah. There you go. Okay? And then if you're going to change something, right? You want to make sure we save it. I'm just going to take you back up to the top. We have picture, background, text, heading text, and save. Okay? So you save this thing, and then we would save this again. But we're going to look at the second one, which is heading text field. Here, I'm just going to change that link there. Background image. And here, what do I have? Did I have a video? No, I have nothing. So on the second slider, it's just a background image and text. Okay, this one. You can change the text to dark or light, centered or left or right. Okay, so I'm going to save that. I didn't really do anything. I think I just looked at it. Here's the final one where I've got a video. So we've got a background image, right? And let's go look at it. Okay, large background image. And I'm not using the color, but you could. Here's the YouTube video link. So if I was going to go do that, we'll just go to YouTube, and if we were going to do marbling, you can take this link. I was taking this link down here. So you just copy that. Make sure that you don't need to start at a playlist. So copy that link and paste it in here. Although, see, I've got the watch $V. So I've got that one from there. Okay? So that'll work if you want to change the video. Alt text, we'll talk about that later. Text color, see, light or dark. If you wanted, you can have the whole background be a giant video. And then we've got text here. Okay? See, I've got video, background image, heading text, little text, button text with a link. There's a bunch of different elements here. Okay? And then save. You can show arrows or not. I think if you're going to have multiple images in that slider, you want to show arrows. So then I save, and then you got to update the entire home page when you make changes to any of those little modules. Okay, so that's kind of a long one. That's 9 minutes on editing the slider. I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't make sense, and I'll change it, or we'll